Kia ora e te whānau. Well, what can I say? Our hikoi on the 9th of February 2021 from Ōrākei Marae to Te Kōti Teitei was absolutely magical, fantastic, awesome, all of those wonderful, wonderful words that really showed how proud, how strong, how united we are as Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. From the time that we welcomed our whānau from up north that came all the way from Kaitaia and from the Kaipara, from that moment that we welcomed them onto our marae, right through to when we shared our kaitahi back at the marae after we finished the hikoi, really showed and demonstrated how important this kaupapa and this take is to our whānau. It was really great to see our whānau so galvanised, energised and walking arm in arm, hand in hand, pushchair in pushchair, cart in cart along the route that we took to the court. And I really can't express my deepest gratitude and thanks and acknowledgement to our ringaropa, to all of you that did the mahi behind the scenes. You are our unsung heroes of our whānau. You do all this mahi and you do it for the love of your people, for the love of our iwi, and I really, really appreciate you all, love you all for everything that you do for us. The word proud really doesn't describe the day, although I know that everyone stood with pride. But the wairua, the emotions that flowed right from our kaumātua right down to our tamariki mokopuna was just so amazing. The footage that we got through a lot of the media, there was a lot of media interest, the footage we got really showed Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei in its truest, strongest form. And the level of leadership that was displayed right throughout was just unbelievable and absolutely sent my my heart into an unknown, if you want to explain it that way, that our people, we are in good hands. Our rangatahi, our rangatira moapopo were there, and they showed that they are our leaders of tomorrow. Whānau, our High Court case has started, and next week, from the 15th of February, there will be a recess for a week before we come back again on the following week, on the Monday. Our opening submissions have been completed, and we've now got Ngāti Pāua and Ngaitirangi doing their opening submissions. It'll then be handed over to the Crown and the other interested parties to do their opening submissions. Our staff, our trust staff, are again working tirelessly to ensure that you have every opportunity and every access to go and either sit in the court and listen for yourselves or come down to the marae and watch it live in Te Pouwhakairo. They are working tirelessly to ensure that if you want to be there, that we can get you there, and that you're nourished and you're energised to be able to sit there and represent Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei as we go through this case. One positive thing that has come out is that the judge is very, very well versed in te riti o Waitangi, and he has asked some very, very good questions relating to mana whenua, tikanga and ahika. We are really pleased to hear that the judge is looking at this as the case progresses, because this is exactly what we have been saying throughout all of our court papers, our evidence and our preparation for this case. We will open our case on the 23rd of February, and our key witnesses will start to provide their evidence. A schedule will be made up by our trust staff, and you will be able to see who out of our witnesses will be up on each day, and then you can decide whether or not you would like to go along and listen and tautoko them as they deliver their evidence on our behalf. Whānau, kia manawa nui e te whānau. We need your ongoing support, so please check out our e-pānui for ways that you can tautoko. Nō reira e te whānau, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, Tēnā tātou katoa.